We all love to eat out. How much so? Well, let's consider how we used to spend our money on food and how we currently spend it. In 1955, for every dollar spent on food, 25% was spent on eating out. The rest was food that was bought and cooked at home. Fast forward to today, and now 47% of every dollar spent on food is spent eating out. That's half of every dollar, and that trend is continuing to grow. A lot of other things have changed since 1955, not just our love for eating out. We landed on the moon, added the jetliner, created the microwave, and computers went from being these huge machines that needed an entire room to nothing more than this simple handheld device. But do you know what hasn't changed much since 1955? Ordering food at a restaurant. Still pretty much the same basic steps. If you're at a casual dining restaurant, a courteous waiter takes your order and either memorizes it or writes it down. Well, okay, maybe not on such a big pad of paper. The waiter then has to walk to the nearest point of sale system and has to re-enter that same order. Isn't that double work? And if you're at a fast casual restaurant, you have to wait in line while other customers make up their mind when you already know what you want. With all of the technology changes, why has taking an order at a restaurant not changed much? Because it works, right? Wrong. It doesn't work. Waiters, even experienced waiters, forget and get the orders wrong because of double entry. And let's be realistic. How many of us have walked away from a fast casual restaurant when the line was too long? Both of these processes have the same basic consequences. Delays that cause customers frustration and restaurants to lose valuable customers. And we know that technology is being used by restaurants and customers are noticing. But you don't have to take our word for it. According to a National Restaurant Industry's 2015 forecast report, of those restaurant customers who were surveyed, 79% agree that technology increases convenience. Not surprisingly, 70% of customers also agree that technology speeds up service, and 70% agree that technology increases order accuracy. So given the survey results and the understanding that double order entry and the time delays with the current process of entering orders, why are restaurants not implementing new technology? The answer is that it costs too much money. It is difficult to implement, and no one has gotten it quite right. But wouldn't it be nice if a restaurant could hand a server an iPod Touch with a built-in swipe card reader so that they could take orders as fast as texting? And when they were done taking the order, they could put it in their pocket so that they can serve drinks and deliver food. And if you're at a fast casual restaurant, what if the cashier could have a super fast 7-inch tablet that they could use for line busting with a small portable swipe card reader and printer? You wouldn't be in line that long. That would be a complete and total solution to revolutionize the way orders are taken. Wouldn't that be nice? Well, I'm glad to say that it's here. It's all here. All of the things we have talked about, all of the things you would want to have in a customer ordering service is here. SuiteOrders, with the industry's smallest handheld ordering device and an incredibly fast 7-inch Android tablet for line busting. And while we are there, let's add online ordering, mobile ordering, and a catering system. Too good to be true? It's not. Give us a call today and let us show you how we can revolutionize the way you take orders. Call us today at 1-888-621-2260 to schedule a demo.